Have you ever jolted awake from a dream so vivid it left your heart racing, your palms damp, and your mind tangled in questions? Imagine this. The room is still, the world outside asleep, yet within the quiet theater of your mind, a story unfolds, stranger, richer, and more alive than reality itself. What if those midnight visions weren't random sparks of the brain, but coded whispers, messages crafted by the universe, waiting for you to decode? Since the dawn of civilization, humans have treated dreams as bridges to the divine. Ancient Egyptians recorded dream messages on papyrus, seeing them as portals to the gods. Indigenous tribes across the Americas honored dreams as guidance for hunting, healing, and prophecy. Carl Jung later described them as the language of the unconscious, a direct stream from the soul. But perhaps Jung only scratched the surface. What if dreams aren't just the psyche talking to itself, but the cosmos reaching out, whispering through symbols and archetypes? In dreams, nothing is random. Water, for example, has been a universal symbol for the unconscious mind. Dreaming of a vast ocean may suggest that your soul is wading through the unknown depths of possibility. Animals, too, are profound messengers. A snake may represent transformation, a bird freedom, a wolf guidance through the shadows. Even falling, often seen as fear, can mean surrender, the act of releasing control to something greater. These symbols are not rigid definitions, but keys that open personal doors when matched with your own emotions and life context. While archetypes exist, the universe tailors its messages uniquely for each soul. A dream about a train may mean opportunity for one person, but for another, it may signal feeling trapped in routine. The power lies not in the symbol alone, but in the resonance it creates within you. Recurring dreams, especially, are like urgent letters from the cosmos, persistent reminders that something in your waking life demands attention. To ignore them is to leave the letter unopened. How do we translate these whispers into wisdom? Start with a dream journal. Write down your dreams the moment you wake. Over time, patterns emerge, and the universe's language becomes clearer. Set an intention before sleep, asking for guidance or clarity. Some even experiment with lucid dreaming, learning to step consciously into the dream world and interact with its messages directly. But the key is reflection. Sit with your dream. Ask what emotion it stirs, and trust your intuition. The dream is a mirror, but you are the interpreter. When we take dreams seriously, life changes. We begin to see connections we once ignored. A dream about losing our voice might lead us to finally speak up in life. A dream of flying could inspire us to pursue freedom we've denied ourselves. In essence, dreams are not escapes from reality. They are roadmaps, guiding us towards spiritual awakening, emotional healing, and alignment with the greater flow of the universe. So tonight, when you drift into sleep, remember, your dreams are not meaningless echoes. They are whispers, soft, symbolic, and deliberate, from the vast intelligence that holds the stars in place. Pay attention, and you may find the cosmos has been speaking to you all along. If you've ever had a dream so powerful it felt like a message from beyond, I'd love to hear it. Share your experience in the comments. Let's build a community of dream explorers. And if you found value here, consider subscribing for more journeys into the mysteries of the universe.